rectangle piece. First, you fold the rectangle piece in half and mesh the corner. Create a crease. Then make a mark on that crease. Second, measure the corner of rectangle piece to the edges of circle, then make a mark. Take a ruler and measure that 2 points. Then make it the same step 1. Repeat the process of step 1 again. You can try this once more for the confirmation. Just look at this. This is center of circle. You can try this once more if you want, but the 2 is enough. Just look at this. This is almost perfect, and let's see the